1 milk. You get to choose between fat-free milk, low-fat milk, or chocolate milk. I'm going to go with fat-free milk today. Grab 1 tray. After I grab my tray, immediately put your milk on your tray. Get ready to get your fruits, your vegetables, your grains, whatever, your meats, your beans, all that good stuff. Make sure we use our pleases, our thank yous, and our no thank yous. These lunch ladies work really hard for us, so we have to work really hard for them. After you get all your food, go ahead and grab some silverware. And if the lunch bar is here, you can go ahead and help yourself to the lunch bar. Please make sure to wait your turn. After you've waited your turn, go ahead and grab a seat wherever your class is sitting. This is where my class is sitting. We're going to go all the way down to the end and then fill in from there. There's 4 people at each section of the table. Grab a seat, eat my lunch, eat my lunch, eat my lunch. Once I'm done, go ahead and raise my hand nice and high. After I raise my hand and get called on by a duty, that's when I can stand up first, leave my tray on the table. Second, pick up my tray. I don't want anybody falling over while I'm trying to pick up our tray and stand up at the same time. We're going to follow our red arrows. Our red arrows let us know that that's where we're emptying our tray. So we follow our red arrows down the middle, all the way around the outside. The reason we're doing this is so that we can all be on the same page. We can all have the same deal. We know exactly what's going on. Follow it all the way down to make sure we're walking. We're holding our tray with 2 hands. I don't want to see anybody balancing it. I don't want to see anybody holding it with 1 hand. 2 hands on the tray. If you did not finish all of your milk, go ahead and dump your milk out in the first garbage can, and then put your milk carton back on. Your silverware goes right in the tray. If you didn't even open your milk, put your milk right here in the trash. Once it's your turn, go ahead and put your tray down. We don't want our trays to match up. We want our trays to match up. So if I have my circle up here in this corner, that's where I'm going to put my circle. Match up the circles every single time. I don't want to see a big stack pile. I want them nice and neat. Set my tray down, and now it's time for me to either go outside or go back to class. So if I'm going outside, I'm going to look for my blue arrow, which is right here on the ground in front of me. And if I'm going back to class, same thing. So I follow that blue arrow all the way down. If I'm in 4th or 5th grade, I'm obviously going to go straight back to my classroom. If I'm in 1st, 2nd, or 3rd grade, I'm going to follow the blue arrow around and then outside. So we can go outside and go on the recess. After you hear the bell ring, go ahead and line up with your teacher, and that's how we do lunchroom.